They say that the two helicopters where the Nigeria Army newly go buy make they take go first ESN and the Biafra Liberation Army for inside bush. As we dey talk right now, they say they don't sell them for auction. Aye, e don red. They say the helicopter they sell them and some group wey sell them. Now so they chop them. Aye, things dey happen for this country. However, I go bring you the video make you watch. As that one they happen, no be small thing. They say it remain small. May Nigeria Army versus Nigeria Army buy themselves finish today. I go bring the video come up, may you watch. Abeg, go rush now, follow our new page and make sure say you dey share this video as you dey read. Ngwa watch the video before we come back and continue.
Zaria, and there is even a letter to that effect informing them that we are coming, and we are coming this time around specifically on the issue of the helicopters. Therein, we are provided with all the technical details of these helicopters. Technical details. As of then, one of the helicopters just clocked 42 hours, another one 46 hours thereabout. And this helicopter, for it to have a turnaround maintenance, must clock about 10,000 hours. So we know what we are talking about. I'm pained because as a result of this, a lot of people have died, Nigerians have died, soldiers have died, who are desirous of having these helicopters. And we even told them, they even provided to us the maintenance they've done thus far. One was about 500 and something thousand, another was about 500 and something thousand. And we told them, okay, since this is a government property, and it's another government establishment that is interested, because the argument they were giving for auctioning it was because it was not being put into use. Now a government institution have come over to say, okay, we want it. Something as very important as that. No proof, not documented. They are just telling us that an auction took place, this. You can't even remember who the people, you can't even remember your own constituents. Federal Ministry of Aviation, you can't even remember who came. Something is wrong. As far as I'm concerned, most likely it was just a charade.
Said the auction of the two helicopters was conducted successfully on the 24th of May for a sum of $1.2 million only. See attached evidence. Even though you did not put that here, but in your internal memo, you admitted that you collected $1.2 million for the helicopters. Can you see it?
I don't know.
Should they come and show you?
No.
You have seen it?
Yes.
So you concluded this transaction in May. You collected the dollars in May. The same May that they did advert in the newspaper.
No, the auction was done in May.
We are saying the same thing.
Yes, but payments.
You did your advert in May.
Payments were not done in May.
Your letter says
Payments. This is an internal memo from procurement seeking approval to pay commission.
no. That's not
Yes,
what I'm saying.
that is the memo that you are referring to.
Yes.
Yes.
Seeking approval. That means before you can ask for approval to pay commission, that means payment must have been made.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying now.
No, please.
Received. You have received the dollars.
Let's look at this memo was dated 15th of June. That's after.
Answer the question that I asked. Answer my question.
Sorry, Honorable Chairman.
Yes.
As far as the document, the equivalent in Naira at the prevailing exchange rate were what was paid to the college accounts, which were remitted to CRF.
So who collected the dollars?
Dollars.
So why did they say they sold it for $1.2 million?
Because that is what it was auctioned for. $1.2 million.
So
payments at prevailing exchange rate.
it is our decision that the Ministry of Aviation will take steps to recover those helicopters as soon as possible and report back to the house. But from here, because the head of quality assurance lied on oath right inside the chambers, and the auctioneer presented fake documents to us, the sergeant at arms shall take them to our police post. Their statements will be taken, and the investigation should start from there. I so rule.
Anything you can imagine that will not happen in this world, come to Nigeria, they happen. They say the 2 helicopter, Otilo, they don't sell them. As we they talk now, they find who sell them and how you take sell them. I beg, let me bring this video up. May you see the military we suppose they protect you. Waiting make they go fight each other today. They say na Madio how and the Guguapo go visit them. Now they start they fight themselves. Watch the video. My wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, they don't see am. This is not the country where we find ourselves inside though. I beg, make una dey manage them like that. But however, let us talk about things that is happening. How they take say this thing, the fight don't end. Now they ask, Abi, the one budget again to buy a new one. Abi na this one, na the old one where they don't already say since so. I don't know, but however, I beg, may you drop your own opinion and share the video so that other people will get the information and know as it they go. My people, e get one ogbonge news where they on ground now. They say that for inside Imo State, come see wetin police they do for that place. So they, if they wan grab you, no gree, these people they will carry you for head anyhow. This is that happen for Imo State. Every youth now na suspect. Whether you do something, no do something. How you go be like this? Why don't they work with intelligence? Why don't they work with professionals? May you watch the video before we come back and continue.
See wetin police dey do.
Police stopped you and said, enter car. And see your paper is not complete. And they said, enter car.
My wonderful people, and I don't see am. So this is now waiting they happen for Imo State. And I will say more bring and come give for now. I beg, I want make you they share this video, because if you are a young youth in Igbo land right now, you have to be very, very careful. We need you. We need you to defend our land. So no let them, these people buy you for no reason. So if you know any waka way, if you waka protect yourself, may you do am. So pray may you no enter inside these people's hand. And if you come be police or you be army, if you be any kind of force, if they work for inside Southeast, you think say that gun where you get, you no go use am to do the right thing, na to use am dey kpai innocent youth. You no go work that work finish for that land. That land will chop you too. You see that thing wey you plan for innocent people, that land must chop you too. So as you dey do your work, make sure say you apply professional put for the work, so that you no go mistake wey dey kpai innocent people. Because if you kpai innocent person, you go still kpai. So na be the thing. So na the message wey we get for una. So for those of una wey dey put hand for corruption, as wey dey put hand for crime, you are the youth, remove your hand. Because if they catch you, you go face your own warrant for inside that place. So Ali Igbo ga-adịrịla mma. If you dey commit crime for Ali Igbo, comot your hand. Wetin we die against na these innocent people wey dey go dey carry. Na that one we die against. So make they dey make sure say na people wey dey find, na they go for. Leave innocent Igbo youth alone. That's our message for them. Abeg share the video and rush na go follow our new page as e dey hot.